Hey guys, it's me, and I'm here with Andrew.
Hello.
Today, we are gonna be doing a fun video. We are gonna be making homemade dog biscuits. Why? It's because February 23rd is National Dog Biscuit Day. So what better way to celebrate that day than make some homemade dog biscuits for Andrew's dogs. So stay tuned. And if you want to follow along, go for it. So you're just gonna need a couple of ingredients. You're gonna need some rolled oats, or old-fashioned oats works, some unsalted chicken or beef broth that's low fat, an egg, but we don't have many eggs, so we're using egg whites, and some salt. Are you ready?
I hope so.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post this in the description box below. So let's get the parchment paper. Found it. Okay, here you go. Okay, so now we are gonna add 2 cups of oats, salt, beef broth, and egg to a large mixing bowl. Or half a teaspoon.
It is half?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, it should work.
Okay.
That's the wrong one.
Into the bowl. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of the oats. Oh, it's 2.5 cups of oats. But you're only gonna add 2 cups of oats into the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, then you're gonna add half a cup of the chicken broth. Okay. Yeah, that should be good. I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, and now we have to combine well. And then we're gonna add the remaining half cup of rolled oats and combine too. So after you mix it well. So then you're gonna pour onto the wax paper and knead dough for about 3 minutes.
This is not dough.
Means
You just got a little bit of toaster.
I'll be quiet.
It looks sticky enough.
Okay. What's next?
Next. Cut with cutter and placed onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet.
Oh, so that's we can decide what kind of shape we want.
I'll just rip it into circles or balls.
Do balls?
Yeah, I guess. I have to get a cutting sheet.
Just
Or the baking sheet.
we're gonna need to put this on top of it.
Yeah.
Like this, think? Or should
Yeah.
it be smaller?
No,
Can your
sure.
dog's handle?
Yeah, I can go.
Or I can make it like a patty. Like a little.
I could do that.
Wanna do that
Either one of those
instead?
will work, honestly.
I think I can make 2 more.
2 more.
Yeah. I think it was supposed to make 10.
Need a lot more than 10.
Made 16, right? 4 times 4?
Dogs.
I got it, Andrew. And ready to get a nice look at me squeezing it. Oh, yeah. Okay, let me wash my hands and we can switch. Here they are. Let's transfer them.
Now I try to do this. What we do. There we go.
Okay, so it says here we have to
Bake for 20 minutes.
bake for 20 minutes, remove from oven, and allow it to cool completely. So let's do it.
All right. We'll go stick these in the oven.
So now we are going to let them bake for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna have them cool off, and then we're gonna put them in like a little Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. The dogs are upstairs and asleep, so we're gonna have to have them try them tomorrow, and we'll see if they like them. Hopefully they do, because we did have to substitute an egg with egg whites, so let's hope that this works. How'd they come out?
Pretty good.
Ooh, look the same. So now we have to let them cool completely. They smell good. And then we will put them in a Ziploc bag, freeze them till tomorrow.
Indeed. And we'll give them to the dogs and see what they say.
Yeah. So stay tuned for tomorrow, or for you guys, like 2 seconds, not even. Let's see what the dogs think.
Hold on. Bobby! Come over here.
Whoa.
Come over here. Come over here. Stop it. You need to relax. Ready? Was it good? You like that? What was that?
Did you even taste it, you little vacuum?
Was it good, Pepper?
I'm guessing it was good.
Yeah. Looks like
They came back for more. Success?
Yeah.
Success. Well guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you tried them out, let me know in the comments down below if your dogs like them, and if you have any other suggestions on what to make, leave that in the comments down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my blog at gabrielladragon.wordpress.com, and go check out my podcast on SoundCloud. All the links will be in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!